Today we will show you how to repair your ribbon if you have accidentally broken the print ribbon. Because sometimes the print head will overheat and burn out the ribbon. First, align the ribbon. Find a sticky paper and stick it on. And roll it back. Let's install back the ribbon and test it. Let's do the test print. So now the ribbon is back to normal, and you can continue to print your labels.
Please like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel, follows our Facebook's pages and visit our websites www.alcaidc.com.